love that the trim and everything is pink. It's so crazy.
It is so good.
See these beams?
Right.
They were left over.
What?
Thank God Tiffany's back. Even though I was able to repurpose the beams from upstairs for our theater room, paint the walls, and install the cabinets, we still have so much on our plate. I need my partner in crime back. We got work to do.
I love how 2/3 of this house match your outfit. Even though I think this basement is absolutely gorgeous, I won't lie, I'm still a little nervous about the use of color. We have been knocked so many times for it. This time, the fourth time has got to be a charm.
I've never seen a pink ping pong table before.
I have never seen a pink ping pong table before.
Oh my God.
I have a feeling there might be a market for a pink and gold ping pong table.
Why not? For 50 bucks, we bought a used ping pong table. We're painting it pink and gold to match the color scheme in our basement. It's going to be the centerpiece of this space, and it's going to unite the home theater and our game room.
First up is David and Tiffany.
I can't wait.
Oh my gosh! Hi! Oh my gosh! Hi!
Oh my gosh, I'm already loving it. I mean, come on. Oh, wow. I'm speechless.
We wanted to be subtle but bold at the same time. Take
I
it all in.
definitely think you got the bold.
Right.
As much of a lover as pink as I am, that's one of those things when you're going bold, which I do all the time, I think that potentially could turn off a handful of buyers. But I think it's a gorgeous finish.
Yeah, take it in. Come in.
See,
This was like the first space that we went through and designed. We actually rescued these kitchen cabinets from upstairs.
Yep.
Okay.
Painted them pink, added the gold hardware, and David picked out that backsplash. So this is like a game bar.
Yeah, perfect. Playing
area.
games at night,
Yep.
puzzles,
Yep.
like perfect for the family, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, love the pipes.
So that was our challenge. We had to go through basically garbage of metal and pull pieces, but
it had great potential for
had
sculpture.
Sculpture.
It is
So we
sculptural.
just sprayed it gold
Yeah,
and put it up
feels
there.
so good.
Okay, so David and I planned this house on bedrooms and bathrooms. So
Yep.
right now
Okay.
it's a 6-bed house.
Yeah.
6.
Yes.
It's so cozy feeling. Oh my gosh. And it's got a view.
It'd be better if the room was staged, but you still added another bedroom, which increases value.
The beams are great.
So one of the most favorite things, well, to me,
Yeah, same.
is we went back and forth about getting a television, but we were like, okay, A, budget, B, we wanted it to feel like a real theater.
Yeah.
Right.
So we chair railed out this frame, painted it white, and then hung a
Projector's
projector.
right there.
So smart and such a good use of your budget.
Tamara's judging made me feel more confident.
It's so beautiful.
She loved it. She pointed out everything.
Okay, on to the next one. Right, house
right.
number 1, right?
Yes.
I love how bold you were with the colors, and the flow of everything felt so natural, and you hit all of the different elements. Like the beautiful wet bar was fantastic. And I love how memorable your space is. Like anybody walking through your house is going to remember the pink basement, right? So, wow.
You guys got a wow, that's good.
We'll take a wow.
I will take it.
I would say the con is probably the same thing I love so much, is like if somebody just really didn't like pink, that's gonna be a turnoff. But I think for me, it was a wow.
I'm okay with that. Deliver it all day, dear.
For this week's winner of the best basement on Rock the Block, I have to go